Here's a piece of fusible web where I silk screened something on the fusible web before I laid the gold color onto it. So what you can do here, this will show you how this works, is I'm going to press this in place, allow it to cool a little bit so it will stick, and then you see when I peel back, the silkscreen image that I put on first is what sits on top. And remember I said earlier, when you're painting, to try and cover the entire piece with paint, here's a little area where I didn't cover it with paint, so you can see it just shows up as clear or white. This is one of my examples of a project that I worked on where I painted stripes, and then I would lay the pieces on in a grid. I've also taken pieces like this and torn them. So tearing the fusible web will give you some really nice soft edges. I could also take this little piece and I can actually layer the fusible web on top of itself. So here's the backing piece that came off of this piece. That can be easily used as a pressing cloth too. I can take designs and you can do some really interesting things with layering. And I can press that. The glue will melt to itself even though it's painted. And you can get a nice layered effect. Whoops, something happened when I was pressing and part of it peeled off. This is why I like the Steam-A-Seam so much, because you can really work it on its own. It's very kind of rubbery. So I might take this little piece and lay it in there or make it coming off. So there's all kinds of possibilities to do with it.